So I actually forgot to make the video for the intro, but I guess I can just make the intro now. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Menma. If you're new here, it's an honor to have you here, and if you've always been here with me, thank you. I am honestly so grateful. My channel just hit 100 subscribers. That was ending of August. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video. Yes, I am well aware. So when I started this channel, it started out as a mental health channel, in the sense of we try to discuss different mental health related issues, what each and every one of us goes through, and in different areas of life. That was and still is the agenda. But at the same time, I felt there's I feel more English. I feel more interested in the idea of bringing value, in the sense of how we can help ourselves while also learning what each person's mental health story is like. So this particular video that you're about to see now, sorry that I'm talking for the longest time, but this particular video you're about to see now, I wanted to bring awareness to small business owners. I and my sister, we went for a fair and we participated in the fair. Yes, we have a small business that we're running, which is Amole Honey. It's a honey, yeah. We have an Instagram page. I'll insert it right now. So we went to the fair and we interacted with different customers and different, with different people, and there are a lot of things that you learn along the line, like what to do, what not to do, how to not be discouraged, how to actually have a conversation and hold a conversation with a person, and how to pitch your product to people. Very important. Yeah, that's basically all I wanted to say. Sorry that it took forever and I dragged it. Yeah, please comment, share. Honestly, share with me what you want me to talk about next. What your own experience as a small business owner is like. I read, like I said, English. I read all my comments, I interact with all my comments, and I actually love this. Oh wow, I'm rambling. Sorry, but I love this. I love making these videos. I love this content creation. Please enjoy the moment, enjoy the movement, enjoy the video. My God, please enjoy the video. Enjoy the video. I have talked too much. So yeah, this is for all my small business owners, content creators. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Yes, and comment. Bye.